Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can hard reset Samsung A02. It's very easy, just follow the steps along the way. For those who doesn't know it, I'm going to show you how it looks like. You see, it's even stuck on starting Android. When it's stuck on it, first put the phone off firstly by pressing power button and press power off the phone. After powering it off, when it's totally off, then you press power button, volume up button all together at the same time. When you see this interface showing up, you let go power button and keep on pressing volume up button. Then when you see this format face, the Android recovery interface, then you use volume down to select and scroll down till where you see wipe data and factory reset. Then you click power button to select. You use volume down, scroll down, power button to factory data reset. This will wipe all your data, passwords, photos. So before doing this, you have to first save your content like in a PC. Then you use power button to reboot the system because you have already finished formatting the phone. Here sometimes takes a lot of time. You have to wait for it until it finishes, then you run the setup reset of the phone, like starting a new phone. Sometimes Samsung phones needs you to first connect it to Wi-Fi so that it can respond, others don't, but most of them sometimes need that. Here you can accept the recommended apps to be used in this phone. And if you would like to see how you can remove FRP of this phone, just check in the description. You will see another video how you can remove FRP for all Samsung phones. It's very easy, just click with just one click enabling command and removing it, or comment in the description where you would like to be helped or anything you want me to do the video of it. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe this channel for more content.